Good morning and happy Friday. Luna has brought me up to the top part of Gleniffer Bays, or probably in the middle is more accurate. Horror. It is windy today, so she's getting bombarded with smells and she loves it. Oh. I don't know if you can see. Wait a wee minute, Luna. That's all the Highland cows. They're in the other field. All the way over there. And Husky. Aren't you? She's just had a bounce round with a dog. Only just get in here. So that's her absolutely delighted. Although the dog kind of fell in love a little bit and didn't want to go with his owner. She was going the other way. Okay, so getting blown to bits here. Don't know how much I'll actually do here, so I'm going to stop it here. Have a fantastic Friday. We will catch up with you later. Thanks for watching. Bye.